Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I make this very delicious garlic butter and herbs steak and shrimp recipe, right? So right here I have roughly about a pound of strip line steak, right? And guys, look how beautiful this steak look. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt to taste. Also gonna add some pepper to taste, right? And you just need to go ahead and pat that season in, flip it to the opposite side, and repeat the process. Trust me guys, this is gonna be amazing. Trust me, you need to try this one. After I'm finished, I'm just making sure I get all the excess season from off the board, right? You want this steak to be nice and flavorful. So right here, I have 280 grams of uncooked shrimp, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly season. So I'm adding some salt to taste, right? Also, some pepper to taste. Also, half teaspoon of CAJUN seasoning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it all in. Alright guys, so right here I have 5 cloves of garlic, some rosemary and some parsley, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and finely chop my garlic, right? For my rosemary, I'm just using the softer part of rosemary, right? You don't want to eat this steak and shrimp and be biting any stems. Not a good feeling, right? Alright, so after finally chopping my rosemary, I also gonna finally chop my parsley, right? Now with my stove on medium high, I'm just gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of corn oil, right? Now I'll be going in with my shrimp. And as you know guys, shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so you just want to give these about 2 minutes on each side, right? After 2 minutes, I'm now gonna go ahead and flip them, and guys, look how pretty and golden this is. Wow, look how awesome this is. And you should be smelling the flavor right now, trust me. It's off the chain. Wow. My mouth is drooling already guys, and this recipe is not even finished as yet. Trust me, I feel like to eat all these shrimp by itself. Trust me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the pot, right? And guys, I'm not gonna do my steak in this pot, right? Because I don't want the steak to burn, because you have all these excess of season and so forth in the bottom of the pot, right? So with that extra heat, it's gonna burn. With my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with 1 tablespoon of corn oil. And I'm just gonna take a brush and brush the oil all over the surface of my skillet, right? Now I'm going in with my steak, and you just want to give this about 2 to 3 minutes on each side before adding the rest of the ingredients, right? Guys, look how beautiful this steak is. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and catch those edges, right? Just give it a nice crisp on the edges. Now I'm going in with 60 grams of unsalted butter, right? Also gonna add my garlic. Also my rosemary, right? Some thyme leaves. And I'm using the dry thyme leaf right here, but you can also use the fresh one, right? Now I'm going in with my shrimp. And guys, you should be smelling the aroma in the kitchen right now. Wow. Trust me, this smells so good. Alright, so now I'm going to spoon feed the sauce all over my shrimp and steak. Wow, and look how beautiful this look. Trust me, this is bursting with so much flavor. This is unbelievable. Alright, so now I'm going in with my parsley, right? And you have to add the parsley when you're gonna lock off the stove. Alright guys, so here are the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if you all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, look how soft and tender and juicy this is. Wow, just look at it. This is awesome. Wow, this is so good. Trust me, this is very flavorful. Look at it. Martin!